So that night at dinner, I got an envelope in my hand. I'm like, Pump, they suspended me. He didn't look up from the plate. He just went, you go to school tomorrow. You go to school tomorrow. If the principal's got a problem, you tell him to call me.
Okay.
I went to school, and the principal saw me. He said, Mr. Ferrara, what are you doing here?
I'm just as shocked as you. I realize the awkwardness of this situation, but my father told me that I have to attend school. Now, he has instructed me to tell you if there's a problem, you should call him. I would not recommend it.